morning and thank you for joining our daily outlook. And today we'll cover the changes in the Bitcoin USD pair. Greg will be sharing insights from our trading desk.
Bitcoin has added 5.8% in the last 3 sessions. The RSI is diminishing into the positive zone. The euro-dollar pair has gained 0.4% in the last 3 sessions. Stochastic shifted sharply into the negative area. The sterling-dollar pair has added 0.4% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator has shot up into the positive area. The Aussie-dollar pair has fallen 0.2% in the last session. The RSI is sinking and is now entering the neutral area.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in the world financial news.
The chief executives of Facebook and Twitter testified before a congressional hearing investigating their content moderation practices. London's FTSE 100 slipped as a stronger pound pressured exporters, and investors remain cautious about a post-Brexit trade deal with the EU. Bitcoin soared to its highest level since December 2017, as the asset's perceived quality as a hedge against inflation lured demand.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The Australian employment change will be released at 0:30 GMT, the UK retail sales at 700 GMT, the Swiss trade balance at 700 GMT, the Eurozone's current account at 900 GMT, the US initial jobless claims at 1330 GMT, and the Japanese CPI at 2330 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.